where I'm going to be working in public, very much. So I'm currently working on my content system, and yeah, I want to start streaming every day until I launch my system. And yeah, I just want to share, everything that I'm working on, the system that I'm working on, and yeah, feel like less alone because this process honestly is like so freaking lonely, and I think that's the idea with this. All right, so without further ado, let me change here. Has this been like how about that? Okay. I had no idea that this was not working. So let's raise the volume of the music a little bit and see If this is too loud, I'm just still learning, guys. Bear with me. Okay. Bear with me. I'm going to kill the music completely. And I'm going to try to listen to myself and see if it works. I'm just still learning, guys. Bear with me. Okay. Bear with me. I'm going to kill the music completely. And I'm going to try to listen to myself and see if it works. I'm just still learning, guys. Bear with me. Okay. Bear with me. I'm going to kill the music completely. And I'm going to try to listen to myself and see if it works. All right, sounds good. I feel like it's working now. I just had not added the mic. I just not added the mic. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Let's see, how can I move this here? All right. I think its stream is ready and I'm learning a lot here. All right. So now, let's work. I'm gonna start like streaming just 1 hour for now. I think 1 hour is gonna be enough for now. We'll see. All right, guys. So let's hide this panel over here, and let's hope. Oh, but you know what? This is not goes here. I see over your reminder. There you go. This is the one that we have been working on as a strategy, as the, let's say, the strategist role. There you go. That's the prompt that I was given. Now let's launch another chat. Make sure that it has the instructions of a content strategist, and it does. All right, so let's hope and pray. This time around, this is going to work. And I'm using GLM. Let's see how that goes. Because I feel like that was super fast. Like yesterday that I tested it, I never tested GLM before. And it was really good. I mean, I was really impressed of the speed. Okay, it's moving. Okay, so definitely AI is working. I'm not getting like those weird messages that I was getting today in the morning. So I could have finished this one for sure. But I did not for those reasons. Okay. Let's see. Is that better? Excellent. The season lessons database is already there. So pretty much the problem that I was trying to solve today was like, all right, so this season debrief is like whenever you finish the season, the content season, you're going to kind of do a debrief, kind of analyze what are the lessons that you learn, and then have that as an insight, part of the insight that you're going to have for the next season. So that's how like one season connects to the other, and so on and so forth. So like right now, the problem that I was having with this is that this was just like a bunch of questions that were like so static, that was not related to anything. So right now, like they are just, oh my god, season lessons. All right, it's working on it. Hope is going to put it on the right place. So there's like a lot of types of lessons of conversion, lessons of distribution. I'm not loving this grouping. I feel like it's just like a bunch of dead space. Like if you don't have any lessons there, like there should not be any group there. Yeah, I don't like that grouping. That's one of the things that if the AI is not correcting, I'll have to correct it myself. We'll see. I mean, that is a big task. Like, if you see the prompt that the specialist sent, is huge. So naturally, this is gonna take a while. Let's give it some time. I don't know, my camera looks weird. I don't know. It looks kind of a lot of contrast. And here, I don't see a lot of contrast. What is this? Let's reduce that. It's like a filter. I'm not sure that's like good. Lightning. Big head, invisible. Invisible, what is this? What the hell? Oh my god. Basic portrait. I don't understand what that is. I don't see the effect. Mute background. Interesting. That makes the background black and white for some reason. Face follow. What is this? What the hell? Look at that. Alright guys, this is still working. I'm still playing with this camera. This is funny. Beauty. What is this? Hey, not bad. What is it? A filter or something? Retouch. This is, oh my god. Oh no, oh, I see the filter. No, 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 no. This is so weird. Retouch? No, don't. Spotlight. Is this a problem? Let's go here and see. I think it does. I think it does. Okay. Damn, this is taking a lot. The brief says to keep the heading season debrief with green background, but the current heading has a span tag. Okay. Yeah, this once this is complete, I feel like okay, now the content seasons are going to be complete. What is this? Season debrief. Till the end. What is this comment? Is this comment like? Yeah, this is already. Enter to the specialist. Let's see what else this camera has in the meantime. You can change like orientation. It looks like a mirror now. So if I raise my hand, yeah, it looks like a mirror. I don't know if I like this better. Do I like this better? I kind of do. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, look at that. Oh, still cooking. This is taking a long time. That is taking a long time. I mean, I don't know if this is the model or this is the harness, meaning that I don't know if GLM is the one to blame for this. thing of GLM. This is taking forever. I mean, I'd rather wait than having the issue that I had in the morning where it just like it stopped working. What is going on? Right. Yeah, we can only wait, because if I just submit another prompt, I mean, it can overload. Should I stop and ask you to try again? Let's see what it's preparing. Let's click here and see what's going on. Is this ULM? That's the question that I have. Is like, I'm not sure if this thing is just like happening because of a model problem or because of a Notion problem. That is so weird. And I suspect it's Notion because today in the morning it was just not working. So it seems that they are having issues with this. I don't know. So weird. What should I do? Is this even working? Okay, so this is just taking an absurd amount of time. I need to do something about it. Let's just stop and change the model, because I mean I cannot just wait forever. Something wrong happened here. Let's change the model. Okay. Fable, come on, come back. Come back. We need you. All right, let's use Opus and see if this is a model problem. Where is my mic? Where is my... Hey, whatever happened to Mr. Whisperflow? Come on, Whisperflow. Whisperflow. All right. Did it crash and I didn't realize? What's going on? Okay, here's whisper flow. What is the rest? Oh wait. Why is that? You have permissions. Okay, let's test it. Hello, three. Testing. Okay, well, here we go. All right, so we were just like, I just sent you a prompt and you were working on it, but there was a point where it was just like stuck. And so what I want you to do is review that prompt that I sent you and check it against the word that the work that has been done so far, and evaluate what are the actions that are still pending and then execute them. All right, it's working. Let's change to oppose 4.8 and see if that's a problem. Maybe GLN crashed, maybe Notion crashed. Kind of no way to know. I think Continentals were cancelled. Let's see. So far, it just like sent a prompt. Like, what the hell? We have been streaming for almost half an hour, and we have had no success. I mean, if at this point I finished the content, this part of the content season, I'll be more than happy, because it is just like. I mean, I know this is a heavy task, but yeah, this is taking more than what I expected. Let me check Twitter and see if there is like any type of issue with Notion. Okay, I mean, it looks like it's making progress. That's for sure. It looks like it's working. It's doing something. I'm not seeing any progress here. Yeah, that's the thing I feel like about vibe coding or whatever this is called, because I'm not even sure if this can be called vibe coding, because I mean I'm just not like, am I coding? Am I vibe coding? Let me ask ChatGPT. Let me see what ChatGPT says. Hey, I have a question. Like, I'm currently creating a content system in Notion, and what I'm doing is like I'm opening a new chat window into the Notion AI chat, and then I have like another side chat for edit, like applying the edits on the actual Notion page. And like one of the questions that I have is like, is this vibe coding? Like, cause I'm just like entering prompts into the chat for Notion, and Notion is like working in the background, and then it's of course showing me the results, like creating database or creating like different text or editing different things on the page of Notion. So my question is like, is this vibe coding, or what can this be called?
Oh, I totally get why you're wondering. Honestly, you're not alone. It's not quite what we'd call coding in the classic sense. There's no actual scripting or programming language involved, but it's definitely a kind of structured, intentional prompt-based interaction. You could call it prompt engineering. You're giving precise inputs to guide an AI to produce or modify outputs for you. It's like you're giving directions to a really skilled assistant, but instead of code, you're crafting thoughtful commands. So let's call it what it is. A mix of creative direction and prompt finesse.
So how would you call that?
If I had to give it a fun name, I'd say you're doing a bit of AI orchestration. You're not just prompting randomly, you're strategically conducting how the AI works in harmony with your content goals. It's like you're the director of a creative workflow, but instead of writing code, you're directing the AI to build and tweak your content system. It's all about wielding those prompts like a pro.
If I call it vibe coding, is it wrong?
I wouldn't say it's wrong, more like a vibe of its own. Vibe coding could be your personal flair for shaping the AI's output with your prompts. Sure, traditional coders might say, hey, there's no syntax here, but you're shaping behavior and outcomes. So in your world, vibe coding works. You're just coding with vibes and prompts rather than brackets and semicolons.
Okay, so it's not totally wrong, right?
Not at all. It's your creative spin on it. At the end of the day, if it makes sense to you and it's helping you get things done, then that's the vibe. Keep orchestrating those prompts and owning it, whether it's vibe coding, prompt crafting, or digital wizardry.
Digital wizardry. I like that. Let's see. One note on toggle behavior, Notion flavored markdown has no attribute to force toggle default open close state. So I'm using the same collapsed toggle heading style for consistency. All right. It looks like it's working. Let's see what happens. But this is taking an absurd amount of time. I have like no idea why this is taking this much time. updating the page. Oh man, like I don't know, something's going on with Notion AI. Something is wrong with Notion AI, that's for sure. This is taking so long, and it's not about, I mean, the good news is not about the LLM. It looks like it's about the harness, in this case, Notion. Not great. Not great. I think I'm gonna have to let it work, because if I interrupt it again, like it's not gonna work. Okay, I feel like this is gonna take forever. There's no point on keeping like with the streaming and everything. Notion, there's like something wrong with Notion, that's for sure. I'm curious if I prompt this from Cloud Code, see what happens, but I'll have to interrupt it again, and at this point it's just like kind of no point in interrupting it. So I guess I'll just leave it there to work, see if it gives me an error or what. But yeah, it looks like we just need to wait and see. But I mean, not great for a streaming. So I guess we'll end the stream here. 38 minutes. This is a short one, but yeah, Notion is just not cooperating today. It was giving me errors in the morning, so yeah. All right, guys. I guess we have to end the stream here and take it for tomorrow. Okay, bye.